Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's another day, another opportunity to give God thanks for life. And I'm grateful to be up this morning, you guys. I am up and I'm on a roll as usual. I'm heading to my doctor's appointment this morning to see my SASH fam, to see my nurse. It's my last therapy for my diastatic recti this morning, and I'm happy because I'm tired of going. But the good thing is they've been helping, and that's important. So I am up and getting Tyler ready for school, and also got Sarah ready so that way when I drop Tyler to school I can head straight to my doctor appointment because it's an early appointment. So everybody's up this morning and we're on a roll to handle business for the day. So that's what's up right now. Baby's actually off to work already. It's almost 8 in the morning. Hopefully you guys are up and is productive throughout the day, whether you're on your way to work or you're staying at home getting stuff done. Whatever it is that you're doing today, just handle it with time management, you guys, time management, and your day will just flow easier than you know it. Anyway, you guys, I am just packing my boy's snack. If you guys wondering what I give him for snack in the day, he get puree fruit for about 10 a.m. in the morning, and then he gets another one for in the evening. Also for in the evening, he got one of his favorite biscuit, he get one of his juice, and he get one of this little cake. Yeah, a lot of sweets. But those are his favorite things to carry. No, next week you carry a Flash McQueen bag, okay? You want to carry it today? Yeah. Alright, give it to me, hurry. Come fast. He wants to carry another bag today. When you have options, boy.
Did you want the last day to have that bag?
You don't want to carry this bag anymore?
No.
You want to carry Flash McQueen one now?
Yes.
Okay, let's put your things in. You want to carry his Flash McQueen bag. He doesn't want to carry his Paw Patrol bag today.
Mama?
Yes, Ty.
You know what? All the day I wore my Paw Patrol bag to school.
I need to write your name up here.
Is already my name?
Yeah, but I'm writing it somewhere else so your teacher don't have to search for it. Alright, so he wants to carry his Flash McQueen bag this morning. Anyway, you guys, here is Tyler. Say good morning to the faves.
Good morning, Mama.
Yes, hold on, wait. And here's my girl. Look at her. Oh no, what's wrong? What is it? Yes, you're a little trickster. You just want Mama to hear you? You just want me to hear you? You just want me to You just want me to hear you? You just want me to hear you? Yes, I know. Alright. Anyway, you guys, so there goes the babies, and I'm gonna get my shoes on, feed Sarah, and by that time it will be time to head out. So I'll catch you guys at some point throughout today. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. One last thing before I go, I have to, since I didn't eat breakfast, I am making a smoothie to carry, and then I'm gonna make some green juice to drink right now. So of course my smoothie is the same ingredient: strawberry, mango, and strawberry, mango, banana. smoothies done.
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I want to drink right?
You want some of the smoothie?
Yes, I want to drink. I want some to drink right now.
You want some to drink right now?
Yes.
Okay, I got that little bit for you right here. Here. Give me my watch. Thank you. This smoothie going in my bag. Oh, green juice. You want some Thai? No, you're full?
No, but I wanted just a little bit like that.
Come.
No.
More?
I wanted that little bit.
So good, and Princess in her seat,
So
strapped
good,
in,
Mama.
falling asleep.
It's
So good.
But today I can do so.
You want some more?
Yes, I want to do like that.
Come. Finish? All right. Come on, hold the glass if you want it.
I drink them like that.
And now I'm energized and ready for the road.
Yeah.
Ready for the road. Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. You guys, the morning starts to get chilly. So Ty need a little sweater and Sarah under her blankie. And I actually like when the mornings feel like this because I get hot so easily. So I don't need no sweater. I just need a thin long sleeve because I know by 10 o'clock when the sun hits, I'll be sorry I put on this long sleeve because it's gonna become so hot. So we're out on our way to school and doctor appointment. Yes, Ty? Can't hear you. What did you say?
Park botanic park.
Yes.
That's Mama.
If Park Botanic is what?
Park.
Yes.
And in French, Parc botanique, c'est parc. Right, Mama?
Right. You're gonna have a good day at school, okay?
Okay.
And you're gonna have fun with your friends
Okay.
and listen to your teacher, okay? And eat up all of your lunch at canteen, okay? So see them later.
See you later.
Got back from my appointment for a while now, but your girl is so tired. I have been just resting. Oh, can you tell? I've been really tired, so I've been just resting. So a quick update from my what you call midwife, sage-femme in French. Good news, you guys. I remember when I started my treatment for my diastatic recti, if you guys wondering what I'm talking about, is that when I had Sarah, I had my abs open up like 2 centimeters. So I couldn't work out, I couldn't do any lifting, I couldn't do anything. So I had to go to see her once a week for 10 sessions. So I completed my sessions this morning. I had the last one and I got a score 4.5 out of 5, and now it's not open 2 centimeters anymore, and I'm finally cleared to start running. So that is amazing. So I no longer go back to see her. But remember, I tell you guys I have to see a physical therapy, which I started doing some ab work and stuff like that, and that's going well. I have one more appointment with her. I'll be well on my way on my own after that with working out, and I'm super excited to just get back in my zone, not just to lose weight, but to really just get back to working out every day, because workout does so much for me mentally, not just physically. I love the feeling that I get when I work out, and working out for me is just a hobby. I just have to do workout every morning. So it's been 3 months that since I had Sarah. It's almost 3 months. I have a week to go before Sarah will be 3 months, and yeah, I am seeing a lot of progress. I'm feeling different, and that's amazing. So that went well this morning. Like I said, I got back and I've been just resting. So I'm just waiting that in a few hours, in a few minutes actually, in about an hour roughly, I'm going to go pick up my boy from school and get on with the rest of our day. And Sarah is here looking at me chatting. Say hi, babes. Say hi. Oh, your face this so? You turn away your face? About your daddy's little girl? You're not saying hello to the Faves? Say hello, Faves. I'm just chilling on my mat. You guys, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you guys go follow me on Instagram to see all the pictures that I post of the family. I need to start post some more pictures more often on YouTube. You guys know that YouTube have a section that we can post stories just like we post on Instagram. So I need to give you guys some more pictures. I need to hold myself accountable for that one. And again, thank you guys to everybody that has been purchasing merch. I appreciate you guys, and the merch are going. You guys are really showing your love and support, and we appreciate every single one of you. We'll feel the love.
Hello,
You guys, I don't feel for no vegetables today.
Hello, babe.
I mean for dinner, so I'm having rice.
Hello, babe.
What did you have for lunch at school today?
I have
Eat. Hmm?
I have
What did you have?
pat.
Pat.
Yes.
Say pasta. And what else? And yogurt.
Ice cream for dessert.
Ice cream?
Yes,
Vanilla. Okay.
I know.
And what else? The lighting. I'm trying to get a good lighting. Where's
Oh,
that?
water.
And water.
Yeah.
And what else?
Red cheese.
That's why you have to talk and eat. And cheese and bread. And what else?
Also.
Fish. Okay.
You know what's tartine? It's I want it. No, you don't it. Okay, take your hand.
Don't lay down on her, okay?
I'm just hugging her.
I know, I'm just saying. Don't do it too tight and don't lay on her.
Hi guys, well, good evening everybody. It's late evening now. Baby's tired. She went to bed early tonight, and I'm about to go join her now. So I hope you all had a wonderful day. It's Friday night. It's the weekend. It's about to start. So yeah, we're gonna have some rest now to be in a great shape for the weekend's curve. We have a lot of things planned. So hopefully you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. Well, same thing. Turn on the notification bell. Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.